Salud, everyone. I created the FixProfit channel to share my rich decade of experience and useful tools with you. I am ready to help you right now. Get my reliable robot assistant for free, link in the description. It scans the market quickly, gives detailed reports and recommendations. It's like a co-pilot that helps me stay alert. After a month, you can only pick it up for a fee. Hurry up. Don't miss new interesting videos. Click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments. I'll be very happy about it, folks. Right now, I'm gonna make 2 trades. I start on the currency pair American, Canadian dollar. The expiry time will be 5 minutes. The frequency of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. So, the artificial intelligence has generated a report where I see 7 red indicators. This means that the potential for sellers in the next few minutes should be much higher than buyers. The signal from the robot is active selling. We can actually see from the price movement chart that the sellers' volumes have increased significantly in the past 20 minutes. A clear downtrend has formed. I think that in the next 5 minutes the bulls will not have time to take the initiative and turn the game around. I think that bearish momentum, even in moments of consolidation, will allow me to take profits. Guys, pay attention. Together with the free FixProfit bot, you will get access to a VIP chat with signals and market analysis from me. In this chat you will learn technical analysis. I personally conduct trading sessions in the VIP chat and help with training for all participants. But this is not the only bonus. There is more. You will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $500 then on deposit you will have $1,000. Promo code works on the first deposit. The market only defeats those who quit. Let's start with a truth that separates survivors from dreamers. If you can't manage risk, you can't stay in the game. You can have all the analysis, the fanciest setup, and the sleekest tools, but if you're throwing your whole deposit into a single trade, you're not a trader. You're a ticking time bomb. One golden rule: never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single entry. Let's break that down. If you've got $100 in your account, your position size should be $1 to $2. That might not sound like much, but here's the deal: it keeps you alive. It gives you room to learn, adapt, grow. If your deposit is $1,000, now you're looking at $10 to $20 per entry. And that's where it gets exciting, because now your wins start compounding with serious momentum. It's not about making it big overnight, it's about staying in the game long enough to win. Think of it like this: imagine trying to win a marathon by sprinting the first 100 meters at full speed, then collapsing. That's not how pros move. That's not how results are built. Every legend started small. Let me remind you of something you already know in your gut. Everyone started somewhere. Jeff Bezos shipped his first orders out of a garage. Arnold Schwarzenegger lifted rusty weights in a cold Austrian gym before he became Mr. Olympia. J.K. Rowling wrote the first pages of Harry Potter while broke and depressed. They had doubts, they had setbacks, but what they didn't do? They didn't quit. The same applies to you. Maybe you've blown an account. Maybe you've second-guessed every trade. Maybe you're thinking, this just doesn't work. But here's what I'll tell you as someone who's seen beginners turn into beasts. It's not the market that's beating you, it's your approach. So, I closed the first trade with a profit. Now it's time for another step. Euro, Canadian dollar, 5-minute time frame. The robot gave me a recommendation, active buying, and supported this verdict with a detailed report, on which I see 6 green and 2 red indicators. The bulls have an opportunity to develop their small advantage. Friends, we can see from the historical data the buildup of volume by buyers in the past half hour. They started to act more confidently. The price was pushing off the local lows within the sideways movement and turned out to be higher and higher. I think this advantage will continue in the coming minutes. Attention, people, a large-scale contest has started again on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will get $1,000 for 1 random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests, there I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck. Keep adjusting. You don't need to reinvent everything. You just need to show up consistently and get 1% better every day. And the best part? You don't have to do it alone. My personal AI assistant is here to help. It watches charts, it tracks indicators, it points out setups, and it makes this whole process simpler. It's built for people like you, people who want to learn, who want to grow, and who are ready to take control of their results. By the way, it's completely free to try. You'll find the link in the description. Don't overthink it, just test it out and feel the difference for yourself. This isn't theory, this isn't hype. I personally know people who started just like you, stressed, skeptical, underpaid, and made trading part of their life. They're not sitting in traffic anymore. They're not answering to a boss they hate. They're managing their time, making their own money, and living on their own terms. But they didn't get there by luck. They studied, they failed, they improved, they stayed consistent, and most importantly, they treated trading like a skill, not a slot machine. Because let's be real, trading is a risk. Just like business, just like entrepreneurship, just like life. But guess what? So is staying in a dead-end job. So is watching your dreams get smaller every year. The difference is, here, you control the odds. I finished the job. Another successful transaction. Total profit for today, $3,220. Impressive? Get the bot for free and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.